Hello, I'm Master Do, the head of the bonding department at ZJWY. I will explain the specific categories of the bonding training. The first part covers some basic knowledge about bonding. This includes understanding different screen structures available on the market, knowing the different types of flex. What is a large flex? What is green flex? What is yellow flex? What is a black flex? And what is touch flex? We will discuss the prospects of the bonding industry, which screens can be bonded, the technical principles of bonding, and the consumables we need to use during the bonding process. We will also cover the equipment needed for bonding and brief introduction to how to use the equipment. You can come to Shenzhen to learn these. Before bonding, you can understand through videos. We will gradually make detailed videos. If you are interested in entering the bonding industry, you can request video from ZJWY for free. The second part is for clients who want to learn bonding individually. If you purchase ZJWY's bonding machine, the following 9 items are free. If you learn without buying it, tutorial costs 2,000 yen. Here are main learning content. Full process of repairing broken Android Touch Flex. Full process of repairing broken Android Large Flex. Full process of repairing broken Android Green Flex. Full process of repairing broken Apple Green Flex. Full process of repairing broken Flexible Flex. Common line corrosion and breakage in LCD parts. Our masters will also teach you how to complete routine ITO circuit repair work. Repair solutions for Apple left and right ear screens. Routine jumper line teaching on screen flex cables. Learning to use conductive silver paste to repair circuit faults. The investment for the above content is small, and it is relatively easy to learn. Newcomers can complete the learning in about 3 days. After learning, you will be able to solve various faults caused by flex cable issues and practice the routine operation of screen flex cable bonding without any problem. The third part is about ITO laser machine repair training. In our actual repairs, many screen faults cannot be fixed by simply bonding. For example, line screen caused by fractures in bending position or short circuits that require cutting the short circuit line with laser machine and using it for soldering. These problems can't be solved by bonding and require to use laser machine. If you purchase ZJWY's laser machine, this project is free, and the fee for individual study is 3,000 yen. The main learning content includes learning how to use laser machine, learning to modify simple LCD circuits using laser machine, learning to cut short circuit lines using laser machine, learning to repair common line screens and ear screens caused by fractures at bending positions using laser machine. The above content is still relatively simple, and the learning time is about 2 days. After learning, you will be able to operate the laser machine to solve problems like line screen and short circuit cuts. The fourth part is about driver IC bonding repair. In practice, we will encounter some special faults, such as abnormal displays like 3 color screens, white-yellow screens, and line screens, where flex bonding is ineffective and laser machine also don't work. In these cases, we need to use an IC bonding machine to replace the LCD IC for repair attempts. If you purchase ZJWY's IC bonding machine, this part also free. The fee for individual study is 5,000 yen. The learning content includes instruction on using IC bonding machine, understanding and identifying common faults in LCD driver IC, the process of disassembling driver IC, the process of cleaning driver IC, the pre-bonding and bonding processes for driver IC. The learning duration is about 2 days, and after that, you can operate the machine independently for IC bonding and replacement. The fifth part is about special fault repair solutions. This section is our advanced core course, mainly focusing on the analysis of LCD circuit and the study and judgment of difficult problems that cannot be solved by bonding, laser, or IC bonding, along with some universal solutions we have developed. The current fee for this section is 9,800 yen. Due to the nature of this content, we need to continuously invest significant manpower and resources for research and various data analysis, so the fee does not apply to any machine purchase discounts. The learning content includes perfect repair solutions for Apple white, yellow, and green screens. Second repair solutions for Apple white, yellow, and green screens. Solutions for Apple rainbow screens. Solutions for burned external pixel lines of driver IC. Ear screen issues caused by non-bending line breaks in certain Apple models. Ear screen issues caused by non-bending line breaks in certain Samsung models. Solutions for Mate 40 Pro green screens. Black screen solutions for Mate 30 Pro Max without bonding. Solutions for abnormal displays in certain Apple models without bonding. Solutions for Apple 12 LG ear screens without bonding. Solutions for Apple Color tinting issues. Solutions for non-touch issues in Apple 13 and 14. Of course, there are many more solutions that we are continuously updating, are not detailed here. For specifics, you can inquire ZJWY. Currently, there is no time limit for learning this content. If you only want to run a regular store shop, this section may not be necessary for you. However, if you want to differentiate your bonding shop and tackle difficult problems that others cannot solve, staying ahead of your peers, I strongly recommend that you complete this learning section. Before you start learning, I want to clarify a few points. First, bonding is not a panacea. Not all faulty screens can be resolved through bonding. For example, issues like liquid leakage, severe LCD damage, and LCD layering are unsolvable. Second, every fault has different causes. It's not as simple as bringing in a faulty screen and immediately knowing where to repair it. Judging faults often requires experience and sometimes a process of elimination. For example, a simple white-yellow screen could be a flex issue that bonding can fix, or it could be water corrosion that requires conductive silver paste, or it might need circuit modifications with laser machine, or it could require IC replacement and bonding. Thus, we often need to try different methods. Third, learning bonding does not guarantee you will make money. It largely depends on how you operate, your skills, and your service reputation. Bonding is merely a basic direction for our phone shop's transformation, and the market is relatively blank. So, it's crucial to understand this before you start learning. Alright, that's all I have to say about the learning content for now. If you have any specific questions, feel free to consult ZJWY.